In this video, I'm going to tell you about this interesting upgrade to a ratchet strap that could be useful for your EMT conduit builds. This is from a company called Night Eyes, I believe is how you pronounce it. And they call this the Cam Jam Hook Lock or Strap Hook. And essentially, I guess it's meant to be, they don't really say it's an upgrade to a ratchet strap, but that's what I'm saying. Because essentially, it's just like a normal hook that would be on a ratchet strap, but you can kind of customize it and make it your own. You can get your own 1-inch, strap, because that's what this is made for. It's got an opening here for 1-inch strap. And essentially, the way this works is it's meant to be kind of a double hook, steel, strong upgrade to just the normal hook. And it's pretty cool because they advertise it as working with tubes and things, which is really exciting because we're always on the lookout for different things you guys can use in your EMT conduit and maker pipe builds. And this, they actually advertise, is for 1-inch or less tubes, and EMT conduit, specifically 3/4 inch trade size, is just under 1-inch diameter, actual outer diameter. And so essentially it's just a one-hand, pretty cool way. It's got these kind of divots at the top here, so you're supposed to be able to just push that on and then it hooks on there, and you can see that fits on there really nice. And is that double hook, so it's not going anywhere. And of course you could slide it back and forth, which could be useful in your builds for some reason if you're doing something you need to slide back and forth. But this is really cool in situations where you need to secure your builds. We've been talking a lot about bracing and securing builds recently, and so if you're anchoring your project and you need to do it quick, if you've already got something already built, say you're a marching band director and you've got a bunch of props that you want to quickly take to all the competitions, and having to worry about taking apart pieces to get the straps where you need them, instead of doing that, you can just quickly put this on, and it's made so you just twist it off like that. So you just push it on and then twist it off just like that. So it's really easy to put on and off, and so you could really quickly secure your builds in those situations where you need to anchor your build quickly and easily. And so this is really cool. Of course, when you're doing this, you just want to keep in mind where you're strapping it down. This is just a piece of conduit, but if you've got your full build in place, you could put this, say you got a connector there, you could just slide it up against the connector. So you just kind of want to be strategic on where you put that. But really cool, really simple, and essentially just made so you can kind of go around. Of course, you could get your own straps. I think they actually sell straps, so you don't have to kind of rig it like I have here, where I've got the hook back in the tensioner. But essentially, it just fits down in here, has a little kind of sleeve that this is made to go in, just like that, as you can see. And so then you've just got your normal kind of strap set up, and then you just hook this onto the conduit. And how do you rotate? There you go, just like that. And then you can secure your build, nice and easy. And then you can take it out just like that whenever you're ready to. So pretty cool idea, I thought. Let me know down in the comments what you think, if you can use it in your projects. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.